Hi, Chav Weather here with a video looking at heavy floods hitting Brazil on December the 28th, 2021. Thousands of people have been displaced by heavy floods in the eastern coastal states of Brazil caused by heavy rain throughout December. The floods have been described as the worst disasters to hit some areas of the country in its history. Flooding has been particularly severe in the state of Bahia, as well as in Sao Paulo and Minas Gerais. In Bahia, 2 dams have collapsed due to the floods, causing widespread damage near rivers. The flooding has impacted the pandemic relief efforts, with vaccines and medicines being destroyed or delayed. Streets were flooded, with jet skis and boats needed to transport and rescue affected citizens. Following the floods receding, debris has been left in the streets, with buildings destroyed by the force of the water. Authorities are assessing the damage caused, with warnings of further floods remaining in place. Thank you for watching, with special thanks to my Patreon members. Please comment, like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll be back with another video soon.